Welcome back to Bike Reviews Pro, your trusted channel for in-depth, no-nonsense motorcycle insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated adventure bikes of the year, the 2025 Toyota Enfield Himalayan 750. Yes, you heard that right. Toyota has partnered with Royal Enfield to bring a whole new level of engineering and adventure performance to the Himalayan lineup. Revolutionary partnership. The Toyota Enfield collaboration marks a bold step in motorcycle innovation. Toyota brings its precision engineering and reliability, while Royal Enfield contributes its rugged legacy and off-road DNA. The result? A Himalayan that's bigger, tougher, and smarter than ever before. Engine and performance. The Himalayan 750 gets a brand new 750 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine developed with Toyota's input. It produces around 65 horsepower and 60 newton meters of torque, giving it smooth power delivery for both highways and challenging terrains. Expect better top-end performance and effortless cruising, even with full luggage and a pillion. Chassis and suspension. Built on a reinforced double cradle frame, the 750 features long travel show suspension with advanced damping control. The ground clearance has been improved to 250 millimeters and the seat height is optimized at 825 millimeters, accessible for most riders. This Himalayan isn't just built to survive rough roads, it's made to conquer them. Tech and features. Toyota's influence is most visible in the tech department. The Himalayan 750 includes a full TFT display with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and ride modes. Traction control, cornering ABS, and cruise control are now standard, bringing the bike in line with global ADV standards. Design and build. The new design maintains the rugged Himalayan silhouette but adds Toyota's modern aerodynamic touches. The LED lighting, sharper tank shrouds, and integrated pannier mounts reflect a more purposeful, adventure-ready stance. Price and competition. Expected to be priced around $9,000. The Himalayan 750 sits between mid-weight adventure bikes like the Yamaha Tenere 700 and the KTM 890 Adventure. With its unique blend of rugged charm and Japanese precision, it promises serious competition. Outro, final thoughts. The 2025 Toyota Enfield Himalayan 750 isn't just an upgrade. It's a game changer. Whether you're crossing continents or commuting daily, this bike blends reliability, comfort, and capability like never before. Stay tuned to Bike Reviews Pro for more detailed reviews and first ride impressions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more expert motorcycle content.